Why do you have an account deficit on Robinhood? So you opened Robinhood and saw account deficit. Don't panic. Here's what's going on. If you've got margin investing turned on, a deficit usually happens when your portfolio, excluding crypto, drops below the required level, like the $2,000 minimum or your margin maintenance requirement. Basically, Robinhood wants a safety cushion when you're borrowing money. Even if you're not borrowing but your portfolio dips too low, it can still trigger a margin call or a deficit warning. Now, if you used instant deposits and your bank transfer got reversed, that money gets pulled back and boom, deficit. Also, fees like Robinhood Gold charges or ADR fees can push your balance into the red if you're already close to the limit. Another thing, if you're into options trading, especially spreads, and your short leg gets assigned early, it can eat into your buying power and cause a deficit. So how do you fix it? Just deposit more funds, close some positions, or handle your options. Easy as that. Quick heads up, even if it's a joint account, both owners are responsible for fixing the deficit. And yeah, Robinhood can change requirements anytime. So always keep an eye on your margin balance and don't max out your buying power.